Hi TBS friends and family. It's our annual emphasis on Giving Tuesday. And I want to thank those who have already given and continue to support us, joining in with all of us in sacrificing for something greater than ourselves. We're really excited. We've got an ambitious goal this year of $250,000 to help us accomplish the things that the Lord has given us to do. And as the Apostle Paul said, let's all excel in the grace of giving. And while you're thinking about the holiday season, also put down on your calendar December 18th through 26th, when we're celebrating here in our museum Hanukkah to Christmas, a celebration of light. You'll be getting more information about that in the coming weeks. We're really excited to bring these types of things to you, and it's through your generosity that it's all possible.